Welcome to Maxonic, your trusted email migration solution. In today's video, we'll explore the PST to Office 365 migration tool, which helps migrate PST emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and more to Microsoft 365 with bulk migration and advanced filtering options. Steps to import PST to Office 365. Step 1. Download and install the Maxonic PST to Office 365 migration tool. Step 2. Click Restore to continue using the tool. Step 3. Click on the Continue button to add multiple PST/OST files to import them all into a single Office 365, Exchange server, or multiple mailbox. Step 4. Choose the single file or folder to add files. Browse the file or folder on the system and click Next. Step 5. Now check the list of files in the panel and click Next to proceed. Select Office 365 as the destination email client and proceed to authenticate your Office 365 account. Next, choose Modern Authentication. Enter your Office 365 login credentials and click the Authenticate button to establish a secure connection. Apply advanced features of the toolbar as your requirement, like remove duplicate file, save mail with or without attachments, skip previously migrated, date filter, then click Next button. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Maxonic for more useful tutorials.